Ever pondered how a simple search for a product on your smartphone leads to a barrage of related ads on your social media feed? This is the power of algorithms in social media advertising. These clever little codes track your searches, monitor your likes and shares, even clock the time you spend on specific posts. They're hard at work, creating a personalized ad experience just for you. It's all part of the magic. In this digital age, your online behavior shapes your advertising experience. Now you might wonder, how do these algorithms actually work? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of algorithms in social media advertising. Imagine a digital detective sifting through piles of data about your online behavior. Your likes, shares, searches, even the time you spend looking at a post. All these become clues for the algorithm. Using these clues, the algorithm paints a portrait of your preferences and interests. This is how it knows what ads to serve you. But the magic doesn't stop there. Algorithms use a method called machine learning to constantly adapt, refining their detective skills, sharpening the accuracy of ad targeting. In essence, every click, every like, every online interaction is a learning opportunity for these algorithms. So, the more you interact online, the better these algorithms understand your preferences. But what does this mean for you and the world of social media advertising? Well, algorithms are the unseen conductors, orchestrating a symphony of tailored advertisements. They enable a more personalized approach to marketing, adapting to your tastes and preferences to show you what you didn't even know you wanted. This level of customization not only increases the efficiency of advertisements, but also drives higher engagement rates. However, this personalized orchestra doesn't come without a cost. It's important to consider the privacy implications associated with the collection of such detailed data. Our digital footprint is being tracked, analyzed, and used to shape our online experiences. Algorithms, thereby, are the silent puppeteers shaping your online advertising experience.